Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I had told you I was going to be gone, but I figured you'd miss me, so I thought I'd check in to make sure everything was good and you knew what was going on for the day. So a few things I have. You can see the agenda behind me as to what you are going to be doing for the day. It's completely laid out for you. What I need you to first do for the Dragonfly Pond exercise is you need to take this diagram and trace it on this larger sheet of paper. Please indicate the direction in which your stream is flowing through the pond so we know the way that the water is traveling. You'll be doing this in groups, and your groups will be chosen for you, and you will find out what those are momentarily. Then what you need to do is cut out all of these pieces that go in the Dragonfly Pond community. I'd like you to add some color, and I'd like you to paste those onto this diagram here where you've traced your pond so that you lay out the community in regards to the person you are representing within the particular community, and that will be given to you as well. Once you're finished pasting these in the best organization possible, please make sure that you write a little bit of an explanation on the back indicating why you chose to put what where you did, because you will be explaining these next class period. Add a little bit of color to your diagram. Make sure you leave this behind completed on the front lab station, and as well as turn this in for me to reuse. Second thing I need you to do is to read the article Brown Water, Green Weeds. Once you read this, fill out the sheet. It's up to you if you want to do it individually or with a partner. I need you to turn both of these in before you leave. This needs to be completed for homework completion. I will be checking it in over the weekend, and we will be talking about it in class next week. Third thing, I have assigned a Chapter 14 quiz for you on Canvas. You get 3 attempts. There's 18 questions total that are chosen randomly for you. You may use your textbook. This is something that I want you to complete individually, and you need to get 85% correct in order for it to count for homework completion for reassessment. Number 4 I have on the agenda. I have assigned a water footprint calculator activity last class period. Many of you, upon checking on Canvas, have not finished and submitted it. All of your work is done in the Google Doc, and please make sure then that you are sharing the Google Doc with me and you are submitting your assignment by the link. So Canvas is going to ask you to submit the link to your Google Doc so that I have access to this. I will also be checking these off this weekend as well. Any remaining time you have, you should be working on your Chapter 14 reading and study guide and moving very quickly in the next 2 days into Chapter 21. Our focus next week will be Chapter 21, and I anticipate the benchmark for 14 and 21 to be the following week, which is not next week, but the following week at the beginning of the week, roughly November 16th-ish. The beginning of that week, you will see your assessment for Chapter 14 and 16. You have a lot to get done today. I've warned you these past couple of class periods that it's time to buckle up and be ready to move quick. Through this, we have a lot to cover. The class time you get today is to get a bunch of this done. If you don't use it, you lose it. And this time is very valuable and won't be available in the future. So please take advantage of your time today. I appreciate your cooperation in plugging in the Chromebooks and making sure that everything is set and cleaned up before you leave. And expect that you are on your best behavior while I'm gone. I did ask for names. I really hope to come back to a great report. I really appreciate your patience in me being out of the classroom, as I am attending a workshop out of town tomorrow that will only help me meet your needs better as a teacher. So I appreciate your patience. Thanks for all of your help. I look forward to seeing those of you that have signed up for buckthorn removal on Sunday, 1 to 4 at the UW-Waukesha Field Station. Please dress appropriately, bring gloves, and be prepared to work hard. So I am checking out. Enjoy your wonderful long weekend, and I will see you next Tuesday. Take care. Email me if you have any questions. Thank you.